recapture back my ammo train. Get my ammo train, quick. Let's get up this hill. You firing upon me. Carlin, come back and aim. Cav, get back my ammo train. Come on. This is so hard to capture back an ammo train. Thank you. Okay. You guys get over here. We need to get this stuff back on track. Guys, target the Stonewall Brigade. Target the Stonewall Brigade, both of you. Come on. Too close to winning this to lose it now. Too many good men died. Have you target them. Move you up a little closer. No, car, stop them. You guys gotta go over here and these guys. More, hit them. Already hit them. Already, you hit them. Loomis, your general's right there. He's telling you to come back, you need to come back. Okay, am I already back? Sweeney, I need you to get them. Car, make sure we do not lose them ever again. Alright, Carlin, I'm gonna need you to push up to these fields. What are you doing? Get back up on this hill. Your job was not to charge out there. Loomis, your job is to get over here. Just headaches after headaches right now. I'm gonna run this hill. Alright, like you better come back. We gotta focus in on the run. Who's charging now? Bartlett, I need you back in the fight. Let's go. Cav, I need you in there to go. Cav, come around the flank. I need you to go in there and get that already out of there. Attack Taylor, you, hit those skirms. More, double time. No, I don't want you to charge, I want you to double time it. Attack Trimble, quick, get Trimble. You, double time, quick. Attack, attack. Car to go far. Hit them, hit them. No, don't, no, hit them. Shoot them. with everything you got. I know you're gonna need ammo soon, but don't worry about it. More, target them, quick. Fire, 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 fire. There's so many Confederates here. Aim for the blobs, aim for the blobs. Madison, thank God you're back. Alright. I need you to quickly and as fast as you can get across that river and get to that party before they return. Alright, Cap, charge them. Alright, Cap, get in there, Cap, get in there. Oh, Cap, just, yeah, charge in melee, charge in melee. Stop Campbell from reinforcing their position. Where'd Carlin go? Did Carlin route? Oh, he routed. Hit him with everything you got. Hit Trimble. Keep fighting Trimble. Loomis, I need you up here. Ammo train, start pushing this way. Just gotta capture that hill. Get out of there. Car, get out of there. Get out of there. Car, get out of there. Guys, push up, push up, push up, push up. Fire, 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 fire. Pummel in, pummel in. Let's go. Car, you've done your job. Pull behind us. Need you to fight the Stonewall Brigade. Everybody target Taylor. Target Fulkerson. Gotta shoot this big clump. I want you guys to go far, far, far. Come over here and... Oh, it was victory. Barely took less casualties than them. Cab, I lost a ton of. Going up against Stonewall Jackson. Man, that last ditch counterattack, me winning that one hill and then swinging as fast as I could, is what saved me there. I probably could have kept on with the attack and routed them out of there. Took out way more guns in the end though, especially when I knocked an entire gun crew plus this one back here that routed. Confederates had a lot of soldiers. I think... Okay, so nobody was killed, thank God. Right? Yeah, none of my men got killed. One was wounded though. What did we capture? A ton of Springfield 1855s. Some Sharps rifles got captured. Some 10-pound ordnance got captured. Rescued some Napoleons. A lot of Springfield 1842s. LZ getting the most kills, I can see that. Walton coming up. Okay, so we got this victory condition, not this one. We did inflict 5% more casualties, actually probably 10% more. We lost 50% of our men in this fight. That's very bad. A lot of men, too many men. Look at that. We went in with 7,000 and come out with 3,000. Loomis needs another commander until he gets back. We'll give him Klein. But plus firearms, minus reloading time. Is that minus accuracy? Morale, melee, and stamina. Plus firearms, plus reloading time, plus accuracy. We need to go for that. So we want to get the melee to the beast. All of you. Cannon's what you get. So this first one is ammo. There's rotation speed, stealth and covering, gunnery and reloading time, gunnery and I think I'd rather have the accuracy on you. Oh my god. My men got wrecked. These guys never even went into battle. It's these guys though. I think Carlin got wiped. I mean, Carlin's still alive, right? Or is he wounded? How do I see all my commanders that are under my control? So we got Wagner in here. All these men. We're gonna need to sell some of these guns here. Back up to fighting level, 1,000 men apiece. That was a bloody battle. Holy shit. That was close too. That could have went either way, but I swung in the door. Got behind him too. So, I mean, I don't know how long I could have kept it up. I would have had to brought my ammo train back from artillery because they were running low. We need also... Sir, yes, sir! Both you guys need to get back up. Look at the Whitworths. We have 3 Whitworths. Gotta be captured from the Confederacy. Gonna need some more Napoleons. Can I buy any? No. What are these 24-pound howitzers? Do I have any? I have 8. Actually, you know what? Oh, they take forever to reload though. They do a lot of damage. Maybe when we get another artillery crew, we'll give them some. We're start making it. We gotta have reinforcements in it. I'll give you 1,100 men. Gotta give some more cav. Is it 200 cav I usually give? Gonna need to get back my skirmishers. I don't have any hunters to give them. I want efficiency and reloading. Got a ton of sharps in the armory. I have any dude, sharps rifles. Range of fire 600, 450, fire rate of 45, 46, 95 accuracy, A2, damage 9.5, melee 40, melee 48. You know, we'll equip some sharps rifles. Also need to make another skirmisher. Can I give him any more sharps rifles? Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna need another cav group. Do I have any other sword guns? I need my armor. I can buy some Colts. My swords.
Sir.
It's gonna be too expensive to make 250. How about 200? It's gonna be too expensive to do that too. Alright, let's go into my armory. Let's sell all of these. Give myself a ton of dough. And if we look again, make some cav. Perfect. Alright, now it's just gonna be infantry. Can't make that infantry, huh? Too short. What do I need? What does logistics give me? I think I need economy. No, we need to start actually doing that because it's getting way too expensive to replenish our units that way. God, look how long it's gonna take. All the, oh my God, Walton's in here, Loomis, Webb. Sell these off. Along with these 10-pound ordnance. That means we can then... We're set. Alright guys, well... Shit, we're gonna spend that we're broke. We are broke, my man. Broke. Come up. It's a big one. It's Shiloh. It's not gonna be good. If we lose this, our reputation goes out the window. Oh man. Alright guys, well in the next episode we're going to be taking on Shiloh, so hope you all enjoyed this. Please comment and subscribe. Hopefully when the next episode ends we can start getting our men replenished. Actually, don't even have enough money to upgrade car. We do have better skirmishers now. As I say, we're having 2 skirmishes. Yeah, we got better skirmishes now. Our line infantry is pretty good, so at least the 1st division is. And I'm almost gonna be up promoted. So we lost. We were probably unable to recover about 500 men. We went from 14 brigades total down to 12 brigades, so each one of these men represents a brigade. So yeah, we lost a lot. 2 brigades full, 2 regiments. We lost Carlin and Kemper. Yeah, Carlin and Kemper both were destroyed in that assault. So I guess this is the first 2 we've actually lost. Yeah, Carlin and Kemper are dead. Very costly battle, but it was the only way we could win that battle. And from my experience of watching people, I think I'm probably one of the only few who have won that battle recorded on YouTube. I've only seen maybe 2 other people do it, and they've lost even more casualties than I took. So yeah, guys, hope you guys all enjoyed. Please comment, and subscribe. This is DomDowg signing out. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.